Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily extract any text from images, PDF or website. So friend, here I'm going to show you 3 methods to extract any text from anywhere. So keep watching. In this tutorial you will learn very advanced method to extract text. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open a Windows 11's advanced tool that is called Snippet. So here we are going to click here the window key and then simply search Snippet. So friend, when we search here, the snipping tool is showing over here. You simply click on it and now you can see that this option is showing. Okay, so here we are going to simply click on this new button. Okay, and by this way you can capture any images, right? So here we are going to first open these things, and now we are going to open the sample text from the image. Okay, we're going to simply click on it and now we are going to zoom this text. Okay, so this is the text we want to extract from this image. Okay, so we are going to click on this new, and then here we are going to select the area. Okay, so now you can see that this text area is selected now, and here on the top you can see this option which is text actions. You simply click on it and here you will see that all the text is now showing over here. We are going to copy this text, and now we are going to open any software like Word software. Okay, and we are going to paste this text into it. Okay, so now friend, you can see that I can easily copy any text from the image, right? This is the first method. Now I'm going to show you the second method. Okay, close this one. Okay, and now we are going to open PDF file. Okay, so friend, here you can see that this is the PDF file, and here we want to copy the text. Okay, we are going to simply increase the size of this PDF so we will get the perfect text area. Now we are going to again open the snippet tool, and now again we are going to click on this new button and select the area which we want to copy the text. You simply copy these things and again click on this text converting button. Okay, so by this way you can easily copy the text from the PDF file. Okay, now we are going to paste these things over here. Okay, now we are going to see the same thing from the website. Okay, so here you can see that this is the website and here this article is showing, and we want to copy the text from this website. Okay, you can simply select this text here, but sometimes some selection option closed, you're not able to copy any text or something, then this tutorial will help you. Okay, so again open this new button and again click here and then mark the area. Okay, and here click on this text area and all the text will converted here. Okay, we are going to copy, right click, and here we are going to paste into a new page. Okay, so friend, you can see that I have covered 3 methods or 3 places to copy text from image, PDF and website. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe have any query or question, you can comment me below so I will give you the answer. And friend, if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.